back. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So, as you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be unboxing the August 2019 Snack With Me box. So, I know you're probably wondering, August? Well, first of all, there was a delay because of the hurricane. Second, Snack With Me box is one of the boxes that sends late in the month. So they usually don't ship out till later in the month. So you usually receive it like the first week or so of the following month. But like I said, there was a little bit of a delay with the hurricane. So, but anyway, for those of you that are not familiar with Snack With Me box, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it and then we will get into it. But again, first I want to say again, thank you for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We do all kinds of fun unboxings, reviews, products, hauls, giveaways, live streams. It's always a great time. And we do have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now, as well as the chance for you to win a Betsey Johnson, a brand new Betsey Johnson backpack and my thrifted bag unboxing for September. Both of those end on the 22nd of this month. And then we do have a 2-winner giveaway going on. There's a makeup set and a skincare set, and you can choose which one you would like to win. That doesn't end till like the first week of October, so there's still plenty of time for that. And yeah, so join our family. We'd love to have you. But Snack With Me box. So it is $29.99 a month. I will put a link down below. And y'all, it's amazing. You literally get so many different snacks, and it's not just snacks. I mean, you get food items, you know, cereal, crackers, chips, candy. It's just amazing. Last month we got some dill pickle cashews, a couple packets of them. Oh my gosh. I was like, what? These are so good. We've gotten beef jerky. We have gotten Belvita biscuits, just all kinds of stuff. I'm telling you, it's like such a variety and it's always amazing. So, like I said, I'll put a link down below. It is $29.99 a month. And free shipping, which is awesome. We love free shipping. So let's get into it and see what we got for August. The box is kind of heavy. All right, so well, oops. I'm used to using my box cutter, but my box cutter got worn out. Probably because I opened too many boxes. Might have a small problem, but I love sharing unboxings with you guys, and yeah, so it's worth it. I'm gonna buy a new box cutter. All right, so wow, it is loaded. Wow, it is loaded. Yep, it's loaded. It's loaded. It's loaded. So this is what I see. So we're just gonna get into it. So, yeah, it's packed. It always is, it never fails. All right, so first item, Calbee shrimp chips, wheat puff stacks. And these are hot garlic. Are they like shrimp flavored? Hold on a minute. I've never heard of these. Inspired by an age-old Japanese recipe and beloved in the U.S. for over 50 years, East meets West as Calbee shrimp chips captures the authentic flavor of natural wild shrimp in this delicious baked snack. Grab a bag and share with a friend. One handful and you'll discover the delightful taste. Try hot garlic and other robust flavors. So they really are like shrimp. And there's another one in here in wasabi. Ooh, wasabi might be a bit too much for me. You know what? I normally don't do this, but I am going to try this because this has me so curious. So we're gonna try one. Hot garlic. Okay. Here it this way. Oh, they smell good. They actually do taste a little bit like shrimp, but they are really like, oh my gosh, those are good. So good. Oh my gosh. And like I said, they're wheat, so that's awesome. And then we got the wasabi, which I will either probably pass on to my husband or my dad because that's probably a little too hot. But the hot garlic's actually really good. All right, then we have, what are you? Graffiti Taffy, a different flavor every time. We got a bag of taffy, which is awesome. Goodness, there's stuff everywhere. We got, okay, I see some Kind bars. And usually they put in, when it's stuff like Kind bars or whatever, it may be 3 or 4 or, so that's why I'm digging right now. And it's 4. And this is, yo, this is the caramel almond pumpkin spice. Yes. Cause y'all know I'm basic and I love me some pumpkin spice. I love Kind bars. Win-win. Yes, please and thank you. Okay. Then we got from Beech Nut Quinoa Crispies, banana and cocoa. Ooh, I know that Beech Nut is technically like a baby food item, but I'm not gonna lie, these are actually really good. Because I got some of these in another Snack With Me box, but they were a different flavor. And they were the quinoa, and they are so good. Like, so good. Oh, I have never seen this. Christopher will like this because he's getting to where he likes spicy stuff. This is the Sweet and Fiery Fruit by the Foot. A sweet treat that packs some heat. Fiery peach and spicy watermelon. That's awesome. And it just fell. Oh, I've gotten these before. These are really good. These are Vans Gluten-Free Country Ranch. These are actually crackers made with oats, brown rice, millet, quinoa, and yeah, amaranth. I don't know if I said that correctly, but I think that's what it is. But they're really good. So there are those. And then we got, these are from Snyder's, the gluten-free. These are the pretzel pieces and hot buffalo wings. Yum. My husband's gonna be happy. There's one thing in here that I'm like saving for last because I'm like, oh my god. All right, so then we got a couple Slim Jim Premium Smoked Sticks. These are always good. And I love these because these are a great way to get protein, and there are 10 grams of protein in each serving. Put this there. And then we also have, ooh, what is this? Ooh, these are, okay, so we have 4. Obviously you can see 4. But it is Epic Venison Steak, sea salt, pepper strip. Gluten-free, 100% grass-fed venison. So those are probably really yummy. My husband will take stuff like this to work. Then we have, and Christopher's gotta be excited, a full box of cereal, y'all. Full box. This is the Dippin' Dots Cookies and Cream. Yes. All right. And then they do always, like right here's a recipe for the cookies and cream, like where you can make like little cookies and cream squares. So there's a recipe there, but y'all, this final item, as if this wasn't enough, because like I said, they jam pack these boxes, legit. These are Mama's. And I've never even seen them. But they are the Oreo Thins. I've seen those, but I just haven't seen this flavor. In salted caramel. Say what? Yes. So good. I guarantee you, those are going to be amazing. So good. And the pumpkin spice kind bars, those are Mama's. Yep. The hubby and Christopher can have this sweet, salty, or sweet and spicy, whatever, and the meat sticks. Give me the Oreo Thins and the kind bars. I'm good. Is this not amazing? You get such a great variety. Like, and it's not necessarily just snacks. We literally got a box of cereal. It's awesome. So that was the August 2019 Snack With Me box. I'll leave a link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love this box. I think it is amazing, and the variety is phenomenal. They knock it out of the park every month. So have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.